Good evening, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to talk about on a topic: is English language mandatory to write a blog or an article? Is there a language barrier holding someone to present themselves? So, to answer my own question, no, absolutely not. Be it a blog or be it an article, everything can be multilingual. Bible is in Hindi and Bhagavad Gita is in English. The reason behind is to convey the audience and bridge the gap of communication between persons of different linguists. But yes, English language is a universal language and it can help cover vast audiences. So it actually depends on the coverage you want to fulfill with. I've seen lots of articles written in Hindi too, but there is a school of thought that insists English as a language is mandatory to write a blog or an article. And I will demolish that very fact. And as a student of history, I firmly believe that let's talk about contemporary world first. The oldest language in the world was Tamil, around 2500 BC. Second language was Sanskrit, around 2000 BC. Third language was Greek, around 1500 BC. And fourth language was Chinese, around 1250 BC. Now, considering this, currently there are 6500 languages in the world alive, and among them, the most spoken one of them is English. And on the second spot is Mandarin, and on the third spot is Hindi. It's because English as a language has never been chosen. It's been imposed because you all know British Empire had ruled almost every nation of the world, and India was one of their colonies under the name of East India Company in 1830s. So now after the contemporary world, let's talk about the modern world. So first and foremost, the blogs was invented by none other than Justin Hall, who was of American origin. So blogging was first spread in the Western arena. That is why blogging in itself is a concept, because English language gives us a vast area to cover all our English speaking audiences across globe. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हम किसी से कम हैं या हम किसी से पीछे हैं. हमारी सोच और हमारे करने का तरीका आज भी सबसे अलग है. और मैं ऐसा क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, इसलिए क्योंकि द ओल्डेस्ट रिटन स्क्रिप्चर इन द वर्ल्ड इज ऋग्वेदा in 1500 by Ved Vyas, who was of Indian origin. So they may be ahead of us in the digital world, but we were and we are always ahead in the traditional world, and that is a fact. To eradicate and bridge the gap of blogging in developing nations like India compared to USA, we must consider following factors. First is literacy rate. Around 69% of Indian population is actually literate, whereas in USA 86% of the population are literate to know this. Second is electronic audience. 55% of Indian population has the means to support electronic devices, whereas in USA 85% of the population has the electronic means to support their education. Now, ending on a GK fast, India is the second largest English speaking country, and 10% of 10% of them uh, are making a hybrid language. So very soon, I guess a new language will emerge as English, and we will witness it because we are already in the era of change. Thank you.